Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find archived chat on Telegram web. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Archiving chats on Telegram helps you manage an overcrowded main conversation list, minimize distraction from untimely messages, and guard your private conversation against prying eyes. Unfortunately, many users archive chat only to realize they have no idea where the message have gone, especially on Telegram web. So how to find it? How to find the archive chat on your Telegram web? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Telegram web. For the example, I will archive this chat first and I will try to find where the archive chat. You can find the archive chat on the upper left corner on your Telegram web. There's like 3 lines over there. You can just click on that and you can find there is an archive chat option. You can just click on that and here's where all of your archived chats saved. If you want to unarchive, you can just click right on the chat and click on an archive chat. So the archive chat will be appear on your main chat list. It's so simple, right? So that is how to find archive chat on Telegram web. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.